Yo, what up YouTube? My name is Jeremy Biggers, an artist in Dallas, Texas. And today I wanted to get into a little bit of my process to show you guys exactly how I do what it is that I do. So yeah, let's just hop right into it. Obviously the first thing I do is I paint the base coat of whatever I know that the color is gonna be for each individual painting. In this case, the painting is going to be my signature hyper red. So I painted that base coat, threw down the sketch, and basically I'm going in and I'm adding the highlights. Typically what my process is I'll put down a mid-tone and then the shadows and then the blacks or darkest shadows. And then the lighter mid-tones, the highlights, and then the hyper whites or the whites. In this case, since it's already a toned background, I'm just going straight into the process of painting those highlights. So what I'll do is I'll put down that highlight, go in and refine it. Here is where you want to make little micro decisions, figuring out exactly what's going to go where, what needs to be brighter, what needs to be darker. Painting is all about relationships, so you just want to go back and forth. You want to keep pushing and pulling until you get to where it is that you want to be. I save my whitest whites for last, but sometimes I need a reference point so that I can tell maybe this section is too light or this section is too dark. So I'll go ahead and throw down some white just so I can have something to refer back to as I'm working. Whether I'm painting teeth or lips or clothes or skin, it's always the same process. A lot of people get frustrated when they're 85% done with the painting because it's not looking the way they want it to look. But even for me, someone that's been doing this for 20 plus years, my paintings don't ever really start looking good until the last 10 or 15% of the process. You just want to work your way through it and trust the process and trust that if you're doing things the right way, you'll get to the desired results. And if you continue to practice and do that every single time, then you can trust that you're going to get there eventually. So yeah, here's the final product. So yeah, there you have it. That's the process I do every single time I paint. So yeah, hit that like, subscribe, hit that bell in the corner so that you guys can be notified every time I post. And I'll see you guys on the next one.